2025 Prelim ACSJ Junior question 13. The table below shows the rates for renting a bicycle at a shop. The first hour is $6. Every additional 30 minutes or part thereof is $4. That means that even if your block is less than 30 minutes, you still have to pay $4. Daniel rented a bicycle at 8:20 a.m. Okay, he started at 8:20. What is the latest time Daniel must return if he only has $20 to spend on rental fees? Okay, let's draw our little line here. Okay, now the first hour, okay, 1 hour, $6. Right? Now another half an hour, this is 30 minutes, it's $4. Now that adds up to 10, so he still have more to spend. So 30 minutes here, another $4. Okay, that's 14. You still have extra money. So another 30 minutes, $4. 12 plus 16 is $18. You still have extra $2. Can he do another 30 minutes here, which will cost another $4? No, he can't, because the total of that will be $22. Okay, that's more than what he has. So he has to stop here. All right, now let's note down the time. He started at 8:20 a.m. 1 hour after that is 9:20 a.m. Okay, now let's go 1 hour. That will give us 10:20 a.m. plus another 30 minutes. That will give us 10:15 a.m. Okay, so what time is the latest time Daniel must return his bicycle? 10:50 a.m. Our answer is number 2.